some animals for things and I will make a store purple and yellow. I don't like yellow. I am purple. Ate Lenlen. No, you want Daddy. I don't. Ate Lenlen. No, do not swing and swing. Like this. When I swing so high, so much fun. Dada, you're in a yard. Swinging together.
Bakit ang taas ng short mo? Bakit napakataas ng short mo? So short.
Because I'm so tall then. Oh, you're so tall this. And my two head. Daddy, look.
Tol na, oo nga.
See? It's too long and I eat that.
Nakain ka ba din ng gulay para lumaki?
Appa, look. I'm so tall now.
Very good.
Look, my shirt.
Anong ginawa mo kayo? Nag-paint ka ba? Nag-paint ka na?
No, I'm not painting.
Bakit mo ginahugasan?
Because it's so dirty in this way. Wow.
Pagigising kasi ka, alam ang kinain mo.
See? It's a bubble and it's so tall. And it's your hair and it's Daddy, look, I'm so tall now. Yeah.
Uy.
I'm so high to jump, see? Yeah.
Kita ko ng panty.
You can see that my panty because it's bouncing.
Gusto mo ba ganun ka na ng iyong palda? May clip.
Papa, I'm going to hang up my for school. Yeah. Yes, I'm just so happy that. Daddy, I have this painting. Look, there's so many exercises. Maya, higay yun, Maya.
Yan.
in me, and he's stay line and stay line. There's so many stay line. He can't stop with me. And he said, best friend.